Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we are replacing the heater on a Candy tumble dryer. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. To get the correct part for your machine, make sure you get the model information of the rating plate here, then go to the Buy Spares website to order the right part for your model. If your tumble dryer has stopped heating, then the most likely part to have failed and need replacing would be the heater. Turn the machine round to get at the back, where the heater is located. The heater has a metal cover here. We need to remove the screws all around the cover and place it to one side. Take out the rubber grommet here. The heater is held onto the cabinet by two screws located here, which we need to take out. The wiring for the heater goes into the cabinet. There is a plastic cable grip on the left side of the cabinet here that holds the wiring in position on the other side of the cabinet. Tie some string around the cable clamp here. Then when we push it through, the string will stay on this side of the cabinet. Slowly pull the wiring through the cabinet one at a time and replace it with the new heater connections. Fit the string from the old heater to the new one, cut it and tie it to the cable grip. Push the wiring back through the cabinet. Pull the string gently to get it to come back through the hole and clip back in. Then just take the string off. Refit the rubber grommet back into place and reattach the heater. Place the heater panel back on and refit the screws. And there we have it, one heater fitted on a Candy tumble dryer. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.